Is he gonna drift that thing? I don't see it going sideways. Oh, there we go. There we go. Can you see him? Yeah. Hey, I say we go join him. Yeah, we getting that thing sideways. Yeah. That's the only reason I like winter. It's because you can do stuff like this, but obviously you have to watch out. Any car coming? Nope. Oh, why did I go this way? Oh, whatever. Oh, heck yeah, dude, look at this. One corner to the other corner. Yo, look at that guy right there. Should we join him? Yeah, I kind of want to join him. Screw it. Let's drift this pole. Yeah, we drifting that pole. Yo, that guy's like. Oh shit! Did you guys see that? All right, one more circle, and then we're gonna go. I thought that was a cop, bro. I'm not gonna lie, dude. These new Jeeps look like a cop. Oh, we gotta go. You know what? We can go this way, because that's where we want to go. We want to go to the factories. These headlights look super good, because on my other work truck, it's the same brand, the Nissan Titan. It's the cheap headlights, so I don't really like that. Oh my god, look! There's so much snow here, dude. Yeah. Imagine I do like some 360 on accident. Dude, this is fresh, dude. Oh yeah, this is fresh. It's so fresh that I'm sliding so easily. Should we make a 360? Oh, no 360. Damn. We made it like a 180 probably. Sorry, officer. It's kind of slippery out here. Little 360. Ain't gonna hurt. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh yeah, we out, bro. Dude, he can see the lines. Oh, we out. Oh no, that was too much. If there's a cop over there, I'm done. Where did my phone go? Oh damn, that's too much. I wanna open up the window a little bit. I want to do something. We'll go back there again, and then I want to drift from here all the way to over there and over there, and then I think we're gonna be done. If anything, I'm gonna just say, yo, my bad, I slipped on a banana, do it like a Mario Kart. Okay, here's what I want to do. U-turn, right? We doing a quick U-turn? Or I guess we're gonna do a donut first. Okay, now we go. Okay, there we go. Windshield wipers on full because I want you guys to see. Okay. Like this. Boom. Let off the gas. Quick maneuver. Let's hope we don't hit anything. Oh yeah, we sideways. We sideways with this. Yeah, I just hit some salt. I hate this part, dude. I can't see over that thing. This was actually so fun in this. Look how it's snowing. We're gonna go this way, actually. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, okay. And then whenever you're losing control, you want to let off the gas. Okay? Do not slam on your brakes because that does not help, trust. So just let off your gas and then it's gonna even out. We're probably gonna go over here to this gas station because I think that's the cheapest one. Cheapest prices. Oh heck no, this is gonna be bad, dude. Actually, no, not really. After this guy passes, we're gonna go. Oh my gosh. We're drifting on the main road, dude. Dude, I never did that before, bro. That's so bad, bro. There's so many cops out here. Well, there's known to be cops out here, but hopefully we don't get pulled over. I think we're done for today. This was a super fun video to make. I ain't gonna lie. I hope you guys did enjoy it. And we're going here to fill up. Oh yeah, it's so much cheaper here. Yo, what is this Porsche, dude? Where's the gas, bro? Why is everything closed? There it is. We're gonna fill up real quick. We don't fill up with 93 in this truck, but there's no point. I do not want a car wash today. There's no point. Do you guys do this all the time too? I don't push it with my hand. I feel like it would be super fun to work like that, right? We got 48 miles. Damn. Work truck is eating real quick. Well, not eating, but she's sipping. She's thirsty. Okay, bro, I love these pumps. These are so quick. I was out here for like a minute and a half, maybe. It's ready to fill up to how much I want. 140 miles. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I want a receipt. It's probably not gonna give me it. Oh, thank you. How many times can you drift? Oh, yo! Oh, that thing is sick, dude. I keep on wanting to end the video, but I'm not clicking the button to end it because we got a BMW. Oh my gosh. See, I let off the gas and boom. Simple. Oh my gosh, that's a cop. No, it's not. This was a fun video. If you guys did enjoy this, please drop a like on this video. Subscribe if you are new. If you don't subscribe, you're not getting a dream car. Simple as that.